Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G-Phone Tech, and today in this video I'm gonna review a new truly wireless earphones from Leaf. It's called the LeafPods True Wireless Earbuds. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I talk to you about the earbuds, let me show you what's inside the box if you happen to buy these earbuds. The box has a good branding design on the front and a lot of details about the earbuds at the back. Opening up the box, you would find the charging case, inside which you'll find the earbuds, and a micro USB cable to charge a charging box. You also get a single charging USB dongle if at all you need it. You also get a pair of ear hooks and some extra ear tips to fit your ears. Then you would also find the user manual and a warranty card. This product comes with 1 year warranty, so make sure you save the warranty card if at all you need it in the future. Let's talk about the charging case first. The charging case has a transparent lid made of plastic, and also the body is made of plastic. The plastic used here is of good quality, has a nice matte finishing to it with a bright and bold Leaf branding at the bottom. The micro USB port to charge a charging case is at the back, and opening up the lid you would find a button which is used to switch on or switch off the charging, which I find is a little weird. Then there are magnetic pins to which the earbuds attach and starts charging. Now let's talk about the earbuds themselves. The earbuds are completely made of plastic, but the plastic used here is very good quality. It is very lightweight, and yet the construction quality is solid. On both the earbuds you would find a multifunction button. Short press is used to play, pause or attend calls. Long press is used to invoke the Google Assistant or the Siri Assistant on the mobile phone. Double click the multifunction button on the left side for volume increase, and double click the multifunction button on the right side for volume decrease. Clicking it twice on the right side will get the next song for you, but the same gesture on the left side will get the previous song for you. The earbuds are very comfortable to wear. This is one of the best earphones I have used in terms of comfort. Even if you have them on your ears for more than 6 hours, you wouldn't feel any signs of discomfort. And because the fitness is also snug, you can use these earbuds for jogging or any workout activity. These earbuds have IPX5 water resistance as well. Let's talk about the sound quality. The bass here is good but not overpowering. Unlike the other earbuds available in the market, these earbuds does not have an artificially boosted bass just to please the mass audience. On the other hand, you would get a balanced frequency which gives you a proper separation between the mids, highs and lows. I find these earbuds perfect to listen to all genres of music. These earbuds are best suited for casual and comfortable music hearing experience. Another plus point of these earbuds is its battery life. Once charged, these earbuds can last for about 6 hours. This is a true wireless earbuds, and yet it lasts for 6 hours on a single charge. After 6 hours, if you run out of charge, the charging case can charge these earbuds from 0 to 100% twice, and additionally 0 to 40% or 50% once. That gives you about 2.5 times more battery life. Now let me sum up and give you the plus points and the negative points of these earbuds. The single port charging USB dongle is a very good novel idea and very useful as well. The design of the case and the earbuds are good, and especially these earbuds are good even for rugged usage. Pairing process is smooth and reliable. The pods are lightweight and very comfortable for long hours. And I'm also impressed by the battery life you get on these earbuds. These earbuds do have some negative points, and the one big negative point I find about these earbuds is its charging mechanism on the case. When you put the earbuds in the box, you will have to consciously press the button to start charging. If you don't press these buttons, the earbuds are still connected to your mobile phone and might be still playing the music. Also, if I am nitpicking, I would find that the box locking mechanism could have been magnetic. Overall, if you decide to buy these earpods, I would confidently say that this is one of the best true wireless earbuds you can get in this price range in India, that too 1 year of reliable warranty from the brand. This is priced at rupees 3,999, but you could use the discount code in the video description below and avail some discount. If you have any other queries about these earpods, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.